Always make sure that when you buy a new battery from the dealer, it includes this little elbow. This is for the gases for the battery that goes right here. So this is the new battery. The guy didn't know if it was MG or AGM. So it says right here in big letters. I didn't say nothing to him so he can search and find out, but this is what it says, MGM. This is the new battery for this car. So it's this one is made by O'Reilly's, the Superstar battery, because it has the same chassis and the same structure. It even has the same label. This label is the same one as the Superstar battery. The only thing that BMW does is just put the sticker here. As you can see, there was a sticker right here also. That's it. All right, this is the new battery. As you can see, the bracket actually is fitting differently. The battery actually fits correctly. The only thing is not helping is this module, and because the brackets are actually right here. So you see there is one hole right there for this bracket to be mounted. I don't know if you can see it, but I will put it right there. So this part over here, it goes right here, right? But it is not fitting right. So in order to achieve that, we're gonna put it right here in this area, in this hole. So that's it, and that will hold it. That's it. So instead putting it right here where the hole is, we're gonna put it on the bracket of this, on the screws of that, so that will hold it too as well. The battery ends right there. So at the end, I find a solution. I just make a hole right here, and now fit perfectly. And when this nut is there and this one is tight, this one's gonna be almost even. It's a little creak, but it's fine. Nothing is perfect, right? So if I cut it more, it will be like almost gone this side. So I rather to leave a little space and a little thickness over here, a little more thick. So this one, when I put the other one right here, it will make pressure almost even. So it doesn't matter if it's a little, cricket. But that's the solution. Yeah, you can put a nice bigger battery in your X5m 2012. Ahí está, listo, instalada la batería, la que termina en E33. So you can see, you can put a bigger battery. It's nice. Yeah, I did a little modifications, but it fixed perfectly. You can see right there, I put the bracket. I just make an extra hole right there. But that's it. And also this modulo, this iron actually fit right there. I just bend a little bit this very carefully because you can unstick it from here. I just bend it down, and that's it. I also want to put all the brackets, you see, right there, right here. So yeah, you can put a bigger battery to your X5m 2012. Thank you. I hope so you subscribe.